something funny.
Yo.
The ogre! The ogre! It broke! It broke!
No, it's something.
Look, she's wearing green too.
Dude, I think we should actually like put this like somewhere.
Oh, look how my balls.
This is what I call the ogre. That is what I call the devil boy. Oh.
See what you guys make him blur?
This is my dead brother. That guy. He's dead.
I think he needs to take a crap right there.
You
still recording?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, I got that done by 18th Street. And that was made by the Hood.
And I really give you a kiss.
And I'm gonna get more, so yeah. The name.
He got beat up right there.
Oh yeah. Try. The name's dope.